Class binding. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is class binding, what is the use of ng class, simple example program to understand this. Generally, every HTML element has a class property where we can specify the multiple classes needs to be applied to that element with that class property. But here the problem is if you want to apply those classes dynamically, it's not possible with class property. Okay, to address this, we have class binding, class data binding in Angular. Class binding is one-way data binding where data passes from component class to template, and this data is used to the class property of the HTML elements. Okay, syntax. So class dot class name we need to specify within brackets is equal to within double quotes we need to specify the value coming from the component class. Generally, this value is Boolean type where it specifies the specific class should be applied to HTML element or not. If it is true, that will be applied. If it is false, it will not apply. Okay. If you want to specify the multiple classes to the same element, then we need to write multiple times that class property. To address this, we have ng class in Angular. Ng class is a directive, so that we can use it as a, normal property to every HTML element. Okay, this is used to set multiple classes to the HTML elements. These multiple values can be represented as object uh, classes will be represented in key value pairs. Key is the class name. Value is the value coming from the component classes. Syntax. We need to specify ng class within brackets is equal to within object we need to specify class name and value class name to value, like that we need to specify. Let us try to understand the same with the simple example program. Yes, this is the simple program which was created by using the CLI. Okay, in app component, let us try to modify all these things. So let me add first some CSS classes. Okay, generally we will write classes, CSS classes like that. Dot, this is the class name where I am specifying background color is some value. Let me put some color. Okay, let me add one more class dot text color. Let me put the green color. Okay, these are the two classes available. If I want to apply these to the HTML element, let me take the HTML element div tag only, div element. Okay, if I want to apply those two CSS classes, we need to use the class property where we can specify these two CSS. Okay, let's see the output. Yeah, we can see the both applied, right? This is the way we can use the class property to add multiple CSS classes to the element to the HTML elements in template. Suppose this back color and text color I want to apply dynamically. That means if some value is coming from the component class, Depend on that the value. I want to decide whether I need to apply back color or text color. Such cases are not possible with simple class property. Okay, for this we have class binding, which is available in Angular. Let me take the same div tag. Okay, we need to specify class dot this back color is equal to, we need to specify the value coming from the component. Suppose generally this is the boolean type. Suppose if I want to apply that uh, color, then I have to make it true. Let me put this value here. Let us see that. Yeah, we can see that background color is applied. Let me put some beer tag. Let us see the output. Okay, background color applied. Suppose if I make this one as false, let's see the output. Gone. So this is the way we can apply classes using class binding. We can write, if we want to apply one more text color class, we need to write it here, where we can use another variable or we can use this variable. So both are false. Let me make them true. Yeah, both styles applied. Yeah, this is the way we can use class binding. But here if you want to apply a multiple CS classes dynamically, it's not it's possible with writing the multiple times class bind property. Okay, instead of that we can use ng class, which is available in Angular. Let me put p attack here. Okay, here if you want to use ng class, here we can specify the object where suppose is back color. So let me use this only. Let's see the output. Because this is true, so both are applied. If I make false, we can see both gone. This is the way we can use ng class. We can use the methods to set the classes. We can use conditional statements to apply these classes, same as the styles. Okay, this is the way we can use class binding and ng class to apply the classes dynamically. Thank you.